Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your network monitoring with SolarWinds, full guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your current network monitoring needs. Identify any gaps in your existing setup. Visit the SolarWinds website to explore their products. Select the appropriate SolarWinds network monitoring tool for your requirements. Download the software to your local system. Follow the installation instructions provided on the SolarWinds site. Once installed, launch the application. Begin the initial configuration by entering your network details. Add your devices by inputting IP addresses or using auto-discovery features. Customize your dashboard to highlight the most important metrics. Set up alerts for critical network events or performance issues. Configure reporting to capture essential data over time. Regularly review the data collected by your monitoring solution. Utilize the reporting features to analyze trends and patterns. Make any necessary adjustments to enhance monitoring effectiveness. Ensure regular software updates to benefit from new features and security improvements. Engage with the SolarWinds community for support and best practices. Consider training resources available to deepen your understanding of the tool. Continuously assess your network performance and adjust as needed. Stay proactive in addressing potential issues before they escalate. By following these steps, you'll effectively upgrade your network monitoring with SolarWinds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.